honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm excited to get to this video, the products I just received. But first, I want to give a shout out to this young lady. Her channel name is 50 Fine Health. She's all about staying healthy after having a stroke at a very early age, 40-something. That's early, because I'm 60-something. So 40-something, she's a young woman. So she's 50 fine now. And she's all about staying as healthy as possible, eating as healthy as possible, exercising, fasting, all that. Okay? And she, in one of her videos, she was talking about chicken crack. So I commented on it, and she said she would send me some, because I think it's made in Michigan. That's where she lives. I don't want to tell all her business, but anyway, she said she would send me some. But before that could happen, I checked out the Chicken Crack Company and asked if I could feature their product on my channel, because I do wings all the time. And before 50 Fine Health could send me out what she said she was seeing, this company was on the ball. It was on my doorstep this morning, and I'm so excited to get started. Well, anyway, shout out to 50 Fine Health. Y'all go check out her channel. Show her some love. Tell her MzBrazell sent you. And I believe you'd like her channel. Yeah, she also cooks chicken wings. Okay. So now let's get to the reason for this video. This company called Chicken Crack. Okay, this is what they sent me. They sent me the chicken crack. That's what the packaging looks like. They sent me the lemon seasoning chicken crack. And also the fish crack. And it came in this priority mail envelope. It was sitting on my porch and it was raining this morning. So I'm so happy at the way they packaged this up so nicely. Nice plastic packaging, so ain't nothing happen to the product. So all of these come packaged up very nicely in this plastic packaging. So I want to thank the Chicken Crack Company for sending this out, and I can't wait to get started with my chicken wing video using your product. Thanks again, Chicken Crack Company. And I hope that's the real name of your company. But anyway, y'all know who I'm talking about. So I'll probably I have to go out and get some chicken wings, because what I got here, everything's frozen. So I got to go to the store. I'm going to get me some chicken wings, and I will be making this today. I'm going to use the chicken crack, the regular, first. So, for those of you watching, go to chickencrack.com to check them out and for recipes, and also to order their product. I guess y'all waiting for my video. It's coming. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be sure and show these fine people some love. 50 Fine Health and also Chicken Crack. They're on Facebook, so show them some love. Go to their Facebook page. Tell them MzBrazell sent you. And I will be trying the product shortly. Okay. You all have a very blessed day. Y'all know about me and my thumbnails. Let me see if I can hold them all up. They also have a hot chicken crack. So I know I'm going to be wanting that soon. I want it to show good. Okay, that's good. Bye, y'all.